Good morning, Mr. Jawar.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, you can start the class, sir. Good to go,
Okay,
sir.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. So, good morning to everybody. I am Javakar from NSTI. So, the last 1 month we completed all the science part. So, all the chapter completed. Today onwards, we are going to start workshop calculation chapter. So, calculation is concerned more number of problems available. More problems I wanted to explain. So for that purpose only, I am directly using the PDF. So PowerPoint means we can restrict the problems. Some problems may be skipped. So that's why. So in that PDF, more number of models available. I will explain one problem and other problems I will just show it. Because that is actually the assignment. That problem also I will show it. So anybody after that, anybody want to ask me the PowerPoint. So calculation is concerned, more number of practice required. Science means just once you understand the concept and the problem, any twisted problem can be possible. Algebra, calculation required more practice than science. So now what is algebra? So there are two parts. Today one class algebra is a very big chapter. I am divided into two parts. Part 1 today I am taking. Part 2 Friday. So in the algebra chapter, 5 types of problem available. I am divided into 5 parts for easy understanding. So before going to type 1 problem, some hints or notes required. Before going to the actual type 1 problem. For doing type 1 problem, this type of basic ideas are required. So what is algebra? Algebra is a generalized form of mathematics in which letters are used instead of figures along with the numbers. You see the example 3 plus 4 is equal. You concentrate and it going little faster because more problem I wanted to explain. So example 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 is a fixed form of mathematics. Why? 3 means 3 alone, 4 means 4 alone. If you are adding, you are getting 7. But in the next example, x plus y is equal to 7. It's a generalized form of mathematics. X has any number of value, y has any number of value. For example, 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. So x has any number of values. Similarly, y. So in this second example, number along with the letters are used. Mostly letters are used along with the numbers. That's why it is called generalized form of mathematics. For doing type 1 problem, some notes are required. Some notes are required. So note 1. So everything known thing only. Just I am recalling. So the first note 4a is equal to. What is the meaning of 4 here? 4 tells a is added 4 times. A plus A plus A plus A. So now the 4 is called coefficient of A. So the 4 tells A is added 4 times. The next example, A power 4. Here 4 is available in the power area. Here 4 means 4 tells A multiplied by 4 times. Here 4 is power. The first example 4 is coefficient. Go to addition. Second note. There are 2 rules in addition. You see the first example, 4 example I am given. If you want to add 2 numbers, listen carefully. If you want to add 2 numbers with the same sign, put the sign of the number and just add it. It's addition rule number 1. If you want to add 2 numbers with the same sign, a sign means plus or minus. The numbers having same sign means put the sign and just add it. First 2 examples. Plus 5 plus 3 plus 8. Similarly, minus 5 minus 3 minus 8. Same sign means put the sign and just add it. Is the rule number 1. Rule number 2. Third and fourth example. If the numbers have a different sign, put the sign of greater number and subtract. The third example you see plus 5 minus 3. Put the sign of greater number. Greater number sign is plus. And subtract 5 minus 3, 2. Similarly, the last one. So there are 2 rules. The addition basic rule, actually it's a basic rule. If you want to add two numbers with the same sign means put the sign and just add it. Add it to first two examples. 3 and 4, the numbers having different sign, put the sign of greater number and just subtract. So there are two rules. The subtraction, if you want to subtract two numbers, our mathematics basic concept I am telling. Subtract means change the sign of lower number and add it. The subtraction, first example you see plus 5 plus 3. If you want to subtract, change the sign of lower number. Lower number is 3. Change the sign minus 3 and add it. You will get plus 2. Similarly, second example. Change the sign of lower number and add, do the addition. You go to third example, you will understand quickly. Plus 5 minus 3. Change the sign of lower as per rule, standard rule. The mathematics is having standard rule. We can't, we must follow it. If you want to subtract two numbers with the different sign, change the sign of lower number. Third example I am telling. Change the minus 3 become plus and add it to plus 8. So the rule is, keep it in mind. Change the sign of lower number and add it. So after doing problem, you will understand. Then multiplication, plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus. Similarly, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. Commonly I am telling. Similarly, division also. For multiplication and division, common rule. If the numbers having same sign, you will get plus. Whether multiplied or divide. You compare both. The numbers having same sign, whether plus plus or minus minus. The numbers having same sign means you will get plus while multiplied or divide. Third and fourth example, the numbers having different sign, you will get minus, whether multiplied or divide. So very simple to remember. Multiplication and division, common rule. The numbers having same sign means, again repeating, sign means plus or minus. The numbers having same sign means you will get plus. The numbers having different sign means you will get minus. Go to 6. AB is equal to BA. AB can also be written BA. Or the actual meaning is A multiplied by B. Or A into B. A cross B. All are equal. Here A and B are multiplied. So interchanging possible. The next 34 is not equal to 43. AB means we can return AB is equal to BA. Letter interchange means it's correct. But number 3, 4 should not be written 43. Both are not equal. Why? That in the 34, 4 is 4, but 3 is not 3. Actually, it is 30. 30 plus 4 should not be written like 40 plus 3. So 34 and 43 not equal. Here 3 and 4 are not multiplied. Actually 3 is not 3. Actually 30 plus 4. So 34 is not equal to 43. Number means interchange is not allowed. Digit interchange not allowed. Then the x, the 7th one, note 7. X, y. So why this idea? Mostly small letters we are using in algebra. The reason is we want to identify the multiplication symbol. Which one is multiplication we can't do. So that's why mostly small letters we are using. Note number 8, some standard formula. Formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. A is called base value, m and n are power value. You see carefully, if the base values are same, write the base value and just add the power value. A power m and a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Base values are same. Here a base values are same is write the base value one time and just add the power value m plus n. Example 2 power 3 into 2 power 2 is equal to 2 power 3 plus 2. 2 power 5 32. Similarly, second a power m divided by a power n. Here also base values are same. A is base value. Write the base right hand side. Write the base value one time and subtract the power value m minus n. Example 2 power 3 divided by 2 power 2 is equal to 2 power 3 minus 2, 2 power 1, 2. Then third one, a power m, the whole power n. Two powers are available. Multiply the both the power. So a power mn, that is multiply m and n. Example 2 power 3, the whole power 2 means 3 into 2. 2 power 6, answer 64. Similarly, other example. Root of x square. Root means power 1 by 2. Cube root means power 1 by 3. Fifth root means power 1 by 4. Both are same. Here square root. So a square power 1 by 2 multiply 1 and 1 by 2. 6 power 1. Similarly this one. Then ninth, a power minus m equal to 1 divided by a power m. So if you don't want minus symbol in the power, minus m, power having minus. If you don't want means pull down to denominator. 1 divided by a power m. Both are equal. Then go to 10. Anything multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Whether a number or a letter. 5 into 0, 0, x into 0, 0, 1500 into 0, 3000. Anything multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Then anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. 5 power 0 or x power 0, anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Sometimes objective question. Problem number 12, note number 12, anything divided by 0 is equal to infinity. Actually not defined, but people are telling infinity. 5 divided by 0, infinity. So we can't divide with the 0, any number or letter. Problem, note number 13, 0 divided by anything is equal to 0. 0 divided by 5 or 0 divided by x or 0 divided by 1500 is equal to 0. 14, anything divided by or multiplied by 1. 5 into 1 or x into 1 or y divided by 1 or x into 1. You will get the same number. Nothing will happen. If it is multiplied by 1 or divided by 1, the same number reappear. Then BODMAS rule, while doing problem, BODMAS rule you have to follow. B for bracket, O has meaning, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. This order you must follow it. Otherwise, problem will get wrong answer. First, you have to attack with the bracket, then go for division, followed by multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So 15 notes we studied, then directly we can go to problem. So type 1 problem. For doing type 1 problem, already notes studied. Go to first problem, addition. Add 2x plus 5, 4x minus 8z, 15z minus 2y. 3 this is called algebra expression or algebra quantity. 3 algebra quantity given. They are asked to add it. So you put addition symbol in between the bracket, first line, 2x plus 5y, put bracket in between the bracket. Then the next line, you remove the bracket, 2x plus 5y, remove the bracket, plus symbol available means while removing bracket, nothing will change. 4x minus 8z, 15z minus 2y. Then add all the x value, 2x plus 4x is 6x, then plus 5y, minus 2y become plus 3y, then 8 is that. Just study. It's a very easy problem. So model only I am telling. So once you understand this model, any problem coming means you can attack. Second problem also same problem. So first problem addition problem. Second problem also addition problem. When the semicolon place you can put plus. 2 terms given or 2 algebra equation given. You put the plus, and as usual, similar, follow the same procedure. So first 2 problem addition. From basic onwards I am going. First 2 problem addition. Now we go for subtraction problem. subtract s square plus 3xy from 3s square plus 8xy plus y cube. So carefully read, you subtract s square plus 3xy from that one. So first you have to write the second term, 3s square plus English required, 3s square plus 8xy plus y cube. From this number, you subtract the first number, s square plus 3x. So carefully you have to write bracket, you must write the bracket. Otherwise, sometime wrong. Here bracket already given in the question. Sometimes bracket not given means you must take care. Because the two terms within bracket you have to put, then the next line you remove the bracket. 3s square plus 8xy plus y cube minus, already bracket available, so nothing will, sign will get changed. Minus a square, now minus into plus, minus will come while removing the bracket. Minus a square, minus 3xy. So if bracket not available means you will get wrong answer. Then add all the x square value, y square value, simplify it, we will get answer. So subtraction problem. Problem number 4 also subtract. Two terms available. You write the second term first and put minus first term and remove the bracket as usual. So the addition problem 2, subtraction problem 2. So little practice required. While seeing not, you will not quickly understand. After solving, you get the PowerPoint from PDF from me and just go through it and close it and practice. So problem number 5, evaluate, find the value of, simplify, solve. Two terms within bracket already given. So the bracket means in between the bracket no symbol available. That means it is called multiplication. Plus minus into plus not available, minus not available, division not available. Nothing is available. So it is multiplication, assumed as multiplication. So 5a square minus 2bq, another term available. By means of 5a square, multiply both. How to attack 5a square? Left one term you take, multiply with the both right two terms. Minus, by means of minus 2bq, multiply both. Then remove the bracket. 5a square, first you take 5a square, multiply with the both the term. Second term. Minus 2bq, multiply with the right hand side term. Then remove the bracket, you will get answer. We know 5 into plus 5 into plus 2 plus 10. A square into a cube, a power 5, because base value is same. So carefully listen, 5a square into, remove the bracket, 5 into, plus into plus plus, 5 into 2, 10, a square into a cube, a power 5, then plus into plus plus, 5 into 5, 25, a square multiplied by b square, different base value. So as it is, you write, a square b 4, then go to next one, minus 2 into plus minus 4, b cube into a cube, alphabetic order, a cube, b cube. Then minus into plus, minus come, 2 into 5, 10. Then b cube into p power 4, same base value. So b power 7. Little practice required. Then problem number 6, same model. Multiply both the term, I already explained. Problem number 2 also same model, multiplication. Problem number 3 also multiplication. So practice purpose I am given more problem. Simplify. We have different, a little difference. Nothing is model is same, multiplication. All are multiplication problem. Problem number 6 also multiplication, 3 terms. Then go to problem number 7. Evaluate. S square plus 7x minus 30 divided by x minus 3. So s square plus 7x minus 30. So you put the division symbol, x minus 3. So 1 by, first you try to cancel s square. 1 by, one term, you have to cancel. So yes, how to get the value s square? Inside the line s square available, we wanted to cancel it. S square, first you, how many times s square available? S square divided by x, you will get x. The top you write x, then multiply. By means of x, you multiply both the term. X into x s square, then x into minus 3, minus 3x. Then subtract. S square minus x square becomes 0. Plus 7x minus 3x. We'll subtract. Already rule studied. Change the sign of lower number and add it. So minus 3x becomes plus 3x. Add it. 10x you will get. Drop the value. Minus 30. Again you check. 10x always divide with the first letter x. 10x divided by x. You will get plus 10. You write it in the top. Plus 10. Then multiply with 10. X minus 3 with the 10. Both the term. So 10x minus 30, you will get 0. Suppose instead of 30, 32 available means remainder. Here now 0 getting, remainder you will get minus 2. Here exact division. So if 32 or 35 available means some remainder you will get. So it's a 7th problem. Again, 8th also similar model. Then problem number division. I will go with the easy problem first. So division one problem available. Problem number 8 also division. This also division. 12a square minus 11ac minus 36a square divided by 4a minus 9c. You take 12a square divided by 4a alone. You will get plus 3a in the top. Always divide with 4a, 4a, 4a. 12a square. We wanted to cancel this 12a square. Divide with 4a. Whatever you are getting, write it in the top 3a. And by means 3a, you multiply both and write it in the bottom and subtract. 16ac coming. 16ac again divide with 4a. Always divide with 4a. Whatever getting 4c, you will get. And write it in the top. Again multiply with 4c. Right. Remainder 0 here. So the 3 is a division. So addition, multiplication, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, idea completed. Then problem number 9. Simplify. So BODMAS rule practice. 2 into, so within bracket, so how many numbers available. So how to attack? You must follow the BODMAS rule. So equal to, first numbers all are same. The second line, just I am removing the top line. Top one horizontal line given, that is nothing but bracket only. 3a 4 plus 4b within bracket. That is the meaning of the horizontal line. 3a plus 4b within bracket. That is the meaning of horizontal line. As usual, remove the bracket. Up to 8a minus 3a, second line keep on going means 8a minus 3a, remove the bracket. So 8a, while removing the bracket, minus 3a and minus 4b will come. The second line only changes, we are just removing the horizontal bracket. Third line, 2 plus 5a plus 3a, 4 plus remove the bracket, inside bracket. 2 into 8a, 16a. 2 into 3a, minus 6a. Plus 2 into minus 4, minus 8p. By means of 2, multiply all the bracket, remove the bracket. So that bracket removed. The next line, 2 within bracket, 5a plus, now remove this bracket. 3a into 4, 12a. So like that, you remove all the bracket. Just go through it. After that, simplification only. First attack with the bracket. 1 by 1, Each line I am removing one bracket, bracket, bracket I am removing up to both lines. So bracket once you remove, automatically while removing bracket you must take care. The sign also you must take care. Sometimes power term also you take care. Same base value means power will get increase. So simplify model problem. Same model again, practice purpose. Then problem number. This also bracket BODMAS rule practice problem. Just to go through it. Bracket removal one by one carefully. Minus plus, so many plus available, so many minus available. If your concentration, full concentration required, if you are just missing the whole answer, you will not get it. Minus outside, inside, so many bracket. Take time and slowly one by one attack means you get. Go to problem number 11. Next model. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3, z is equal to 4, find the value of one algebraic expression given. Very simple. Substitute the x value in x place, y value in the y place, z value in the z place. Simplify, you will get answer. You see, 4 x place we put 2, so 2 square, plus 2, the y place you put minus 3, and the z place you put 4. Plus 3 into x into y into z. 2 into minus 3 into 4. Simplify it, finally you get minus 54. It's a substitution problem. Problem number 12 also, all are same model. Substitution problem. Problem number, all are substitution problem. So the type 1, we already completed all the problems. So how many models we completed? Addition. 2 problem completed. The first 2 problem, addition problem. 3 and 4, subtraction problem. 5 and 6, multiplication problem. 7 and 8, division problem. 9 and 10, substitution problem. Bracket removal problem. That is BODMAS rule application problem. BODMAS rule application problem. Then 11 and 12, all are substitution problem. So 6 model. Plus, minus, multiplication, division, substitution, and BODMAS rule. Normally, we call it as 4. There are 4 major operations in mathematics. That is called division, multiplication, subtraction, and addition. All the 4 normally called operations. What are the operations available in mathematics? Multiplication, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. That normally called operation of mathematics. Then go to type 2. Type 2, I already told, total 5 type of problem available. First type, already 6 models we covered. The type 2, for doing type 2, some standard formula available. Or 10 formula, if you are thorough in the mind, then problem that is formula derived in some way. So you try to muck up all the formula in the mind. Always keep the formula in the mind, then problem is easy. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. First formula. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Second formula. Again for a plus b the whole square, one more formula available. First formula, second formula. 3 and 4. Another formula for a minus b the whole square. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. And sixth formula, a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3, b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b the whole cube, a cube minus b cube. So another formula. So just go through all the formula. So easy chapter. The direct formula known means easy. Suppose the formula not known means you can do like this. Problem number, suppose prove that first formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can't be able to recall the formula means we know already the according to type 1, you expand the left hand side. Left hand side they are telling a plus b the whole square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Bracket, so multiplication. You multiply it, finally you will get a square plus b square plus 2ab. So formula not able to recall means you do like this. You start with the left hand side, try to get the right hand side. Similarly, all the formula. Take second formula, you take left hand side, multiply, you will get right hand side. Third formula, you take right hand side. Third formula, na, a plus b the whole square is equal to a minus b the whole square plus. You take right hand side, apply the a minus b the whole square formula, left hand side you will get. Suppose the formula not able to try to mark up all the formula and keep the formula in the mind, not able to recall any doubt means you do like this, get the formula correctly. So 5, 6, 7 all are formula. Once you thorough in the formula, you can go for problems. So 8th is actual problem, exam problem. If a plus b is equal to 9 and ab is equal to 20, find. So 11 problem given, anything, data, actually it is 11 problem in one. So first formula, a plus b value 9 given, ab is equal to 20 given. So a square plus b square is answer. So a plus b direct formula not available. In the first formula, a square plus b square coming. So attack with the first formula. We know a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab. Then a plus b value already given 9. 9 square. Right hand side a square plus b square plus 2 into ab value also given. Substitute the value. Then finally we will get a square plus b square 41. What's formula known as? Second question, a minus b value. You apply this formula, a minus b the whole square is equal to, you keep the idea in mind, a plus b value and ab value only given. So better you take fourth formula, a minus b the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. Substitute the value, 9 square minus 4 into 20, you will get a minus b the whole square 1, a minus b is equal to 1. Then a minus b they are asking, sorry, a square minus b square, third question, a square, third question, a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b value given. But a minus b value, suppose only this third question alone asked in the examination, you must do problem number 2. Get the value, a minus b is equal to 1. Then go for problem number 3. So that's why I have written. From problem number 2, a minus b is equal to 1. So first to do the second problem, get the value a minus b is equal to 1 and substitute and do the third problem. So it's a 2 problems in one. Then question number 4, a cube plus b cube. Separate formula available, but direct formula available. Don't apply direct formula. Indirect formula, a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. By practice only you will get this idea. Direct formula, even though a cube plus b cube direct formula available, we are applying indirect formula. The reason is data are available, clear data is available. Left hand side a plus b value given, so 9 cube. Right hand side ab value given 20, a plus b value also given. A plus b value given, ab value given. So that's why we are applying the direct formula. Simplify it. 729 minus 540. That is 189 is the final answer. So similarly a minus b the whole cube. You apply the seventh formula. Seventh formula if you are applying means you will get just go through. So same idea only. Apply and substitute the value, but A minus B value not given. You do the second problem. First you do the second problem, get the value A minus B is equal to 1, then substitute here. Then problem number 8, A plus B the whole square only, just apply 9 square 81. 9 also easy. 10, A and B value they are asking. 10th question is A and B. A and B they are asking. A minus B value, first you find out. Do the second problem. A minus B is equal to 1. A plus B already given. Substitute the value. Problem number 11 also. Same. A power 4. Problem number 11 is question is A power 4 plus B power 4. No formula. You have to find out one formula first. We know A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. We want A power 4 formula. Take square on left hand side. A square plus B square is the original formula. A plus B the whole square. In place of A, you put A square. In place of B, you put B square. Then take total square. A means right hand side A square coming. Here A square means right hand side A power 4 coming. Here B means B square coming in first formula. B, if you are instead of in place of B, if you are putting B square, B power 4 will come. So formula we are getting. Formula we are developing. A power 4 plus B power 4 getting. Then as usual, you substitute the previous idea. Go to problem number 9. So by practice only, we'll get it became easy this chapter. If possible, get the PDF and practice. Find a square plus y square if x minus y is equal to 6 and x y, so same idea already available. So problem number 10, model we already covered. That's why I am skipping. Problem number 10, if A minus 1 by A is equal to 7, find A plus 1 by A. So don't, it's not a tough problem. Assume that A minus B is equal to 7, A plus B question. If you are assuming, problem becomes easy. We know A plus B the whole square is equal to A minus B the whole square plus 4AB. The A place you put capital A, B place you put 1 by A, take square. Automatic or small a all are removed by capital A. B are removed by 1 by A. Then substitute the value A minus 1 by right hand side. A minus 1 by A is equal to 7 square plus 4. A plus B they are asking. So it is root of 53. So only the one more plus 4AB. 4 in capital A and 1 by A will get cancelled. That is the advantage of this formula. Then go to problem number 11. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 4, find s square plus 1 by s square and s square plus 1 by s square, s power 4. Same idea, the previous problem idea only. You call the formula A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square. This problem very, very important. A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now in place of A, you put the x. In place of B, you put 1 by x. Take square. So right hand side, A square plus B square plus 2AB. X will get cancelled. Then x plus 1 by x value given 4 square, 4 take square minus 2. So finally, s square plus 1 by s square is equal to what? This problem number of times in the examination they are asking. They think that it is a very tough problem. It's not very tough problem. Similarly, s square plus 1 by s square, the whole square. Because the two questions asked. Power 4 we want. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2ab. It will get cancelled. A square into 1 by a square will get cancelled. Then substitute the previous value of 14. 194 you are getting. Formula same. Then problem number 12 also same idea. Same idea. 11 and 12 same. Problem number 13. Given x plus y is equal to root 5, x minus y is equal to root 3, find the value of 8xy into x square plus y square within bracket. Here root symbol available. You remove the root symbol. How to remove? X plus y is equal to root 5. You take square, if you take square on both sides. X plus y the whole square is equal to right hand side root 5 the whole square. Right hand side square and square root will get cancelled. 5. Left hand side x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 5. One new equation we are getting. Equation number 1. Similarly call second data. X minus y is equal to root 3. Take square on both sides. Both sides you have to take square. That is very important. Both sides you have to take square. Left hand side becomes x square plus y. Left hand side becomes x square plus y square minus 2xy. Right hand side only 3 will come. Solve the equation 1 and 2. Equation 1, equation 2. If you are adding, you will get x square plus y square is equal to 4. X square, 2 square, y square, 2 square. Right hand side 5 plus 3, 8. X square plus y square 4. It is required for the question. Then equation 1 minus equation 2, you will get xy is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute both the value in the question. 8xy into x square plus y square. You will get answer. So 16 you will get. So problem number, all a similar model only. A plus b the whole square formula you have to apply. 14th problem. A plus b the whole square formula. If you are applying is 3p square. Once first you apply the formula, then remove the bracket, second quantity bracket. So many terms will get 4 terms will get cancelled. Only thing carefully apply the formula 3p plus 2 cube the whole cube formula you have to apply. So some people making wrong 3p 3p plus 2 cube right hand side a cube coming. So don't write 3p cube 27p cube you have to write. So you see the both 3p plus 2 cube the whole cube is equal to a cube. Some people they are writing 3p cube, that is wrong. 3p into 3p into 3p 27p cube is the correct answer. So problem number 15 very important. Number of times repeated. 1 divided by root 3 minus root 2. How to solve? One conjugate method we are following. You see 1 by root 3 minus root 2 is right hand side 1 divided by root 3 minus root 2 multiplied by root 3 plus 2 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. Top and bottom we are multiplying with the same term, we will get a right answer. So one plus missing, small mistake. The top root 3 plus root 2, bottom also root 3 plus root 2. Minus available is not minus plus. Numerator multiply, denominator multiply, you get answer quickly. So problem number 16 model we already covered. 25 also we already covered. 25 some purposely I am given some mistake. If a plus b the whole square is equal to 25 and ab is equal to 6, find a minus b. Some careless mistake so many people they are doing. A minus b the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. Substitute the value. A plus b the whole square is equal to 25 square I am written. Actually it is wrong. By careless overconfidence, so many people they are putting 25 square. It's not 25 square, 25 only. Because you see the data, a plus b the whole square is equal to 25 given. So 25 minus 24, answer is 1 only, not 6, not 1. So type 3 problem, factorization. The procedure for finding out factors to the given algebraical quantity is known as factorization. Factorization means dividing number. For example, 10 available. 10 can be divided by 1, 10 can be divided by 2, 10 can also be divided by 5, 10 can also be divided by 10. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. By means of all these numbers, we can divide 10. That is called factors. Dividing number. For example, 6. One example, 6 can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 6. So 4 factors available. Now factorize s square minus 25. You see the next line, s square minus 25 is equal to s square minus 5 square. 25 can also be written 5 square. Apply the formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So x plus 5 into x minus 5. That is the two factors we found out. So the factorization means the product form of writing is called factorization. So the answer, by seeing the answer, s square minus 25 can be divided by x plus 5. Also it can be divided by x minus 5. Factors we found out. So the given algebraical quantity is x square minus 25. You see the answer, x plus 5 into x minus 5. So the product form of writing, that is the two factors we found out. Question is factorization. Or I simply say the product form of writing is called factorization. Second, 4x square minus 9y square. A square minus b square. Same formula. 4x square can be written 2s the whole square minus 3y square. Again, converted to a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square formula. Again, a plus b into a minus b formula. So 2s plus 3y. So first problem, second problem, third problem also a square. First you try with the a square minus b square formula. Because we know a square minus b square is equal to right hand side already available in the product form. So first you try for a square minus b square formula. First problem, second problem, third problem, fourth problem, fifth problem. All are we have tried with a square minus b square formula. Then go to problem number 5. That also a square minus b square formula only we applied. Because more problem available, that's why I'm going little fast. So practice definitely, I already told, practice must be required. So problem number 6, 10s cube y minus 10xy the whole cube. A square minus b square format not available. So you 10x maximum time you take it out. 10xy we are taken out. Balance a square minus y square. Already answer over. 10xy one bracket. A square minus y square is a factors. Again you go if you want to go one more step. 10xy into x plus y into x minus y. The three factors. Either two factors or three factors. Both are answer. So problem number 7. S cube minus y cube. A cube minus b cube formula we are type 2 we studied. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Now two products we got. So factorization over. Similar problem. 8x cube plus 27 8y cube plus 27 s cube. Second line 8y cube plus 27 s cube. Try for a cube plus b cube formula or a cube minus b cube formula. So first you try for a square minus b square formula. Second you try for a cube plus b cube formula or a cube minus b cube formula. So repeat, first you try for a square minus b square formula. Second a cube plus b cube formula or a cube minus b cube formula. Here a cube plus b cube formula we apply, we will get answer. Here also a cube plus b cube formula. Once you apply, but given expression not like that, 1 plus 64 y cube given, but you must convert 1 cube plus 4y the whole cube. 4y into 4y into 4y, 64 y cube. Then apply the formula a plus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So try for that. So problem number 10 also a cube minus b cube format. Then go to problem number 12. New idea coming. A square plus 13x plus 40. So the formula already I told the three formula a cube minus a square minus b square, a cube plus b cube, or a cube minus b cube. That formula here we can't able to apply. A new idea required. A square plus 13x plus 40. How to get the product here? 3 terms available, not possible. We convert into 4 terms. How to convert? 13x we split into 2. 8x plus 5x. If you are adding 8x plus 5x, you will get to 13x. While splitting, you must take care. You select two numbers in such a way that their addition becomes 13. So 8, 5 I am taken. We are adding, we will get to 13. So select two numbers in such a way that their addition becomes 13, multiplication becomes 40. So 8 into 5, 40. So like that you can select. Number selection very, very careful. Select two numbers in such a way that their addition becomes 13 and multiplication becomes 40. The numbers are 8 and 5. So 8x plus 5x is split. Then common factor you have taken out, x into x plus 8 plus 5 into x plus 8. So the answer is x plus 8 into x plus 5. Same idea for problem number 13. Select two numbers 8 and 5. 13, 5 into 8, 40, not 20. So you must take care. You see the first 2 square available, no? The 2 you move to right hand side. 2 into 20, 40 you want. The first one, where simply a square available. So the multiplication we want 40. Problem number 13, here also 40 only required. Because a square contains 2. The 2 you move to the last term, multiply with 20, take it as 40. So the addition 13 required, multiplication 40 required. Then the procedure is same. Here also 1 minus a square minus 12a square, same idea. 1 minus a square 12 the term minus 4 plus 3. Problem number 5, m square minus 2m minus 15. Minus 5 plus 3. Number only you have to select. Minus 5 plus 3, minus 2 you will get. You are adding, multiply, minus 5 plus 3, minus 15 you get. The number selection, if you are having idea, it becomes easy. 17, 16, already 4 terms available. No number selection required. Common factor, first 2 terms, common factor you take it out. A square within bracket 2s, so you get answer. 17, same order, number selection. 9, 8, minus 9 plus 8, minus 1, minus 72 you get. Here, a square minus b square plus 2bc minus b square. A square you keep it separately. All the term within the bracket if you are putting is, you will get b minus c the whole square formula. Then apply the first formula, a square minus b square formula. A minus b, a minus b minus c. Then a plus b. So the b plus b minus c available. So little tough problem. A square keep it separately. Other 3 terms if you are putting in bracket b, you will get a new formula. B minus b the c the whole square. It is nothing but b only. A square minus b square. Formula you apply. Similarly, problem number 19. Find the factors of s power 4 plus a square plus 1. 3 terms not sufficient. You add plus a square and subtract minus s cube. Plus s cube minus s cube 0. So now 5 terms available. Then slowly practice s power 4 plus s cube and move s square the last. You will get a new formula. A cube minus b cube formula you will get. The last term you see a cube minus b cube. Apply the formula a minus b into a square plus b square plus this one plus x. Then common term you are getting a square plus s plus 1. Take it out. It's a little tough problem, not so easy problem. Problem number 20. Factorize and solve. Factorize and find the value of x and y. 5x plus 6y minus xy is equal to 30. Move all the value to one side. So 5x minus xy plus minus 30 plus 6y is equal to 0. Only keeping 0 on the right hand side. Then you select the common term out. X taken common, 5 minus y Easy one. You move all the value to one side. So right hand side becomes 0. Then between two terms, you take common factor x into 5 minus y minus 6 into. So finally, x minus 6 equal to x minus 6 into 5 minus y is equal to 0. From this, you are getting x is equal to x minus 6 equal to 0 or 5 minus y is equal to 0. Because answer 0. Anyone? We don't know. Which one is 0? Which one is 0? We don't know. So the answer. So this much problem sufficient for factorization. Other things is a little tough problem. That's why I'm given extra. Reverse problem, not so important. Extra idea. Problem number 24, 25, 26 all are problem number extra idea. 27, very simple problem. A square minus x. Factorize a square minus x. Common term, x out. So x into x minus 1 is answer. Problem number 28. Factorize and solve. 12x square minus 23x minus 2 is equal to 0. As usual, you select a number. 12 and minus 24 plus 1 is the number selection. If you are adding, you will get minus 23. Multiply means minus 24 required. As usual, 12 you move to right hand side. 12 into 24. While adding, you will get minus 24. Multiplying multiplying you will get minus 24. Adding means minus 23. Like that, your number select. The number is minus 24x plus minus 24 plus 1x. Then as usual, you find out factors, you will get x minus 2 and 12x plus 1. Two factors you are getting. Your question is factorize and solve. Solve means you have to find out the x value. So yeah, x minus 2 is a very important problem. This particularly this problem 28 with the same number. We practice number of times this problem. Same problem repeated in most of the examination. X minus 2 is equal to 0 or 12x plus 1 is equal to 0. Anyone is 0, we don't know. Because the answer we want 0. Either x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 12x plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. From this, we are getting final answer x is equal to 2. 12x plus 1 is equal to 0. You will get x equal to minus 1 by 2. So I think I am going a little fast only. So you get the PowerPoint through your master or from me. Practice. Then only algebra will get become easy. Calculation, any calculation. So part 2 will be taken on Friday. So any doubt means you can message it. So any doubt means you can ask. Otherwise, make a SMS or WhatsApp call. PowerPoint if you want me, or PDF if you want me, I will send it. Because it's self-learning note. Is just I am explained. If you are practicing with my PDF, you will get full confidence on algebra chapter. So don't worry. Don't think that I am going very fast. Because practice is required. Types of bracket also I will explain. If you are asking PDF, I will next class again we are going to take algebra Friday. That time I will explain more. Because the section is going to close. That's why. More number of brackets available. So almost I am mathematics, algebra is a self-learning PDF only. Because one problem I explained, 5 problems I am given as a practice purpose. Similarly, each type I am given more number of practice. So you get the PDF and practice. Science, mathematics, self-learning very easy because if you are reading my book, my PDF. That's why I am directly using my PDF. The reason is more problem I wanted to explain. That's why. Okay. Thank you for attending the class. You come for Friday. Puzzle problem, tough problems are available in the next section on Friday. Okay, thank you.